So a quick assignment. It's time to take a closer look at the tools that you're using today. When teams struggle, it's rarely because the people aren't trying. Most often it's because the tool set is fragmented. That's been our experience. The scattered tools between Word documents and spreadsheets and emails and PDFs and workflow tools, model viewers, scheduling systems, scheduling, programming, timelines, FTP sites, CDEs, and much more. You can't fix what you don't fully see. So let's take a look at it. Your assignment is to list all of the tools your organization currently uses across the full project delivery workflow. A ready-to-use table is already available inside of the business case template in the Planoly library. You can access it, customize it for your current workflow, start filling it out immediately so that you get an idea of all of the applications you use today for all of the different tasks. An example to think about is tools for document creation. Do you use Word or Google Docs or other tools to create your documents today? Some spreadsheets and tracking tools like Excel and Google Sheets, electronic signatures. Maybe you're using DocuSign and HelloSign and other tools to be able to do your signatures and approvals. And analyze your table. How many tools are you using today? How often are they actually manual steps in that process that you're downloading from one and uploading to another, or relying on an email chain or some form of a manual step that actually could be integrated? All of these different steps we like to see as opportunities to improve. And in tools like Planoly, we look at those as automation and as integration opportunities. Which areas do you still need separate tools for? Which ones need integrations? And what can you do to enhance your operation by just refining that list slightly? Hopefully, completing that list will give you some ideas. We can also step into that workflow with you. We have done this a lot with other companies. And if that's something you'd like to do, book your call. It's one of the items on your checklist to have a free consultation, just so that we can support you and understand your workflow more. So that's your assignment. It's to fill out this table, make sure you get an understanding of exactly what tools your business is using. And we will see you in the next one for the training plan. Getting everyone up to speed is an incredibly difficult task. We'll give you the simple way to get everyone up to speed in the next session. We'll see you there.